Your CRM is managing leads, right? But what about content approvals, campaign billings, or retainer hours? If you're using Salesforce, you're juggling between different tools. But in the case of Odoo, you just have to do a click, assign, and bill. Now let's break it down. Most of the agencies using Salesforce end up paying $150 to $300 per user just for CRM and marketing. But Odoo, it gives you the full operational suite with CRM, finance, accounting, HR, project, and even a website for just $32 per user per month. Now let's do a quick comparison on the features that the Odoo and the Salesforce provides. Well, coming to the pricing per user, that's an average. We can see that basically Odoo, it provides it under or within the range, and it's $32 per month there. And for Salesforce, it's around $150 to $300 per month for the CRM suite. If we talk about CRM and project and billing modules, they are already available and included in the Odoo all-in-one solution. While on the other hand, Salesforce basically requires some extra applications to be installed to achieve the CRM projects and billing functionalities. Coming to the accounting and finance, it's also already built in within Odoo, but for the Salesforce, you'll be having the requirement for a third-party tool as well. Now coming to the customization flexibility, we have a drag and drop and open option for the customization on the Odoo end, while Salesforce is basically completely developer dependent. For the vendor lock-in, there's no vendor lock-in in the case of Odoo because it is open core. And for the Salesforce, it's basically a fully proprietary solution there. Now with Salesforce, you also need to integrate QuickBooks, Asana, Slack, and Zapier just to match what Odoo offers out of the box there. Now let's talk real agency needs. For example, campaign approvals, client invoicing, time tracking, and team collaboration. For the same, I have already created one comparison chart on the use cases for the agency needs there. Now let's check them out. So basically, here you can see that we have different use cases for the Odoo and the Salesforce, and let's compare them out. For the retainer time tracking and billing, you can see that Odoo has a native and feature within it, and it's already linked to the projects there. While the Salesforce, on the other hand, needs extra, or we can see that external tools basically that will be able to help them achieve the retainer time tracking and billing options. Now coming to the campaign execution and the finance features there. For the Odoo, we have a one-click cost versus revenue view that's there by default. And for the Salesforce, we have basically a fragmented and a complex setup for achieving the campaign execution and the finance thing there. Coming to the website and client portal, it's already built in and branded on Odoo basically, while Salesforce requires Experience Cloud option there. Now coming to the creative approval workflow, it's very easy to do the creative approvals within the Odoo Studio, and on the other hand, for the Salesforce, it basically requires dev build flows like that. Now Salesforce is basically great at selling, right? But digital media firms need more than that. They need visibility, control, and execution. And that's where Odoo excels. So stop paying premiums just to connect disconnected tools and move to Odoo, which is basically designed for a full agency flow without any flubs. So if you need any help regarding the implementation of Odoo within your media firms, so you can anytime reach out to us at sales@apogent.com. Apart from that, if you do like our videos, then do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And until next time, it's adios from my end. Your